Hey everyone, thanks for joining tonight. Tonight's family night. We're doing movie night, so I'm just gonna kind of give a video of what my fam is doing, and that's really about it. Family's important, don't forget that. So check it out, here we go. Say hi. Hi. Eliza.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Kiki, say hi.
It's not Snapchat, it's camera. Hi.
What are you doing?
No, I have to do the fish. Oh, yes. Ready?
Do it. Wait.
No, you gotta go like this, camera.
You're such a nerd. Say hi, sister. Say hi, Riley. Babe. Lola. Say hi. There you go. There's my family night. Remember, family night's important. And remember to spend time and stay present, stay blessed, keep going, never give up. Always, always, always keep going.